Hi everyone, welcome to my page. If you haven't followed me, please do well to follow me, and if you have, thank you very much for following me. Now let's cook coconut rice with chicken curry sauce and potatoes with fried plantain on the side. Here are my ingredients. I have my onions, I have my potatoes, I have my eggs, I have my black pepper, I have my curry powder, I have my cube seasoning, fried plantain, already seasoned chicken, and my oil. Now let's light the fire, put the pot on the fire, and then add my seasoned chicken. Add some water and then cover it to cook. Everything I used to season my chicken will be in the caption. Now I boil my eggs and then wait for about 15 to 20 minutes and then check on my chicken. Now my chicken is ready and about to fry. Put some oil in the fry pan, add my chicken. Now our chicken is ready. So let's take it out of the oil and start with our curry sauce. So we put the chicken in the pot. We add some onions. Now it's time to add the curry powder. And some oil and about same bowl of water. My camera did not capture that. Add the black pepper and the seasoning cube. And then you put it on fire. Add some salt. Some pepper. I love pepper, so I put a lot of pepper in it. And then you stir and leave it to cook for a while. After about 5 minutes, you put your potatoes in it. And then you add your boiled eggs of